channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to hide files on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you share your Mac with somebody, authenticate your screen for presentation, or just want to be extra safe when your Mac is left unattended, it's important for you to know how to hide folders on Mac or make invisible folders that others simply won't be able to spot. So how to do it? In this video, we'll show you how to do it, how to hide files on your Mac. So you make sure you not skip anything in this video. So first of all, first we have to open our Finder. You can open your Finder. Now you can just choose on the files or folders that you want to hide. Maybe for example, we'll create a new one. So, okay, this, I want to hide this file. How to do it? As you can see in here, you can still see the files on our document on the Finder. To hide it, you can just rename this folder or file from your Mac. So you can just rename it. Click right, select on rename, and you can change name like this. .tem. So when you rename this folder, you will get a pop-up notification like this. Are you sure you want to use a name that begins with a dot? The system treats item with this name as invisible files. So you can just select on OK. Now you can just go back and you can check again. Now you can reopen the Finder, and if you see in here, the file is still in here. So you can just select on, you can press shortcut Shift, Command, and full stop key. Now you see the files is disappeared from your Finder. It's very simple, right? So that is how to hide files on Macbook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!